Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have an answer to the ad blocker question that I've been getting a lot of, and here it is. YouTube is actually intensifying its war against ad blockers. So this is what's happening right now. So that means that you're getting a warning that you got 3 video views, and after that it's over if you don't disable your ad blocker. And of course, I went to read the blogs and the comments of a lot of people. And of course, every user of an ad blocker is mad. The thing is, one of the biggest problems with YouTube is that it's costly to operate, and ads pay for the operations. But not just that. In case you didn't know, people like me, creators of content, we get 68% of revenue from the ads, and the 32% that's left is YouTube or Google or Alphabet that actually gets the money. And so, of course, ads help creators. I think a lot of people don't understand that when you view a video on my channel, you are participating. If you watched an ad, you participated in me getting paid. And it's the reason I'm here. If monetization did not exist, this channel would not be here. It's very simple as that. I would not spend all day talking about tech, helping you guys, and do all of this without having, a paycheck in return. It's like, when somebody asks me, says, well, I don't want to remove my ad blocker. I'll answer back, well, so you go to work for free? And, the immediate response is, no, I don't work for free. Well, why should I work for free? It becomes that question here. Now, a lot of the comments I see is like, I've seen a few. It's like, well, I'm going to stop watching videos on YouTube. Well, here's the thing. Fine. Because if you're using an ad blocker and you are mad that you can't view videos on YouTube with it, you're not participating in anything to monetize the website, YouTube itself, nor the creators like me that take time to make videos that you like. So it's a tough one, because it's, for a lot of people, something that they don't understand well, that, companies have an ad on websites. It's companies paying for the content to be free to you. And yes, there are websites, and yes, there are YouTube channels where there's too many ads per, minutes. And I always said that the best ad on YouTube is the ones that are 6 seconds. They are just great. 6 seconds is perfect. And there are some nonsense. Yeah, of course, having a 2-minute ad in front of a 3-minute video is nonsense. Of course. So it's going to be interesting if they are intensifying, or if they come to a point where they're going to say it's 0. What impact will it have? It will have an impact on the number of views, but it will not have an impact on the monetization, because the people that use an ad block anyways don't participate in the monetization of anything. So it's not a loss for YouTube that somebody that is mad is not coming here because you can't use this ad blocker. So I don't know. It's a war that's going on. I try to avoid to talk about these subjects because it's a sensitive issue for a lot of people. But I think that more and more people need to understand that in order to have content by creators need to be paid. And I think a lot of people don't understand that concept. To give you an idea, I have another channel that is the second channel that I take care of, which is a radio channel, a shortwave radio channel. It has roughly 44,000 subscribers at this point. I used to take care of that channel a lot. I used to have a lot of live shows too. But the lack of monetization and the lack of money racking in that made me decide to do less content there. If this here would come to a point where I can't make a living off of it, then you would not probably see content popping up anymore. There's a responsibility, I think, and a lot of ad block users are not actually good citizens in a way because they don't use it in what I say a responsible way, meaning always let ads go through on the content you love so that the creators can get paid. So anyways, it's a war. If you want to comment on this, I will be very, very direct here. The comments need to be tasteful, need to have no attacks, no, bad wording, because I will remove them if you aren't capable of expressing yourself in a responsible way. But it could be interesting to see the people's point of view also at the same time. And, we'll see what's the future after that. And there's, of course, YouTube subscriptions. You can subscribe to YouTube. That will remove all the ads, and you'll have, and the content creators get paid when you're a YouTube subscriber. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.